Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put videos in slow motion on TikTok. It's a fun effect that can make your videos more dramatic and creative. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, we'll start by uploading the video you want to edit. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. This opens the video creation screen where you can select videos from your gallery. Next, tap on Gallery at the bottom left and choose the video you want to slow down. After selecting, tap Post at the bottom right to upload it. Once the video is uploaded, go to your profile icon at the bottom right. Find the video you just uploaded and tap on it to open it. Tap the three dots at the bottom of the video, swipe through the options, and tap Delete and Re-edit. Then tap Edit. Select the video timeline and tap Speed at the bottom menu. Adjust the speed to slow motion and tap OK to apply. And that's how you can easily put videos in slow motion on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below if you want more TikTok editing tips. See you in the next video.